Okay. Is this for school?
No.
For yourself? Very nice. Cool. Okay. Did you have classes today, this morning?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Luiza? What you gonna do after the gym today?
Me and my friend, we will go to a costume store.
Really?
Yeah, we will
Really?
see yes, we will see some things.
Where?
Dada.
Ah. free advertisement on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
So if you guys want to buy some costume, please go.
Yes.
Why are you going to see some costumes?
Because parties and things, you know.
You're gonna have...
And I had to talk to Anna about it.
So Anna, it looks like you're gonna be invited for a Halloween party.
Yes.
Very nice. What would you like to be? What costume? What kind of costume would you like to have, Luiza?
I don't know. I have literally no idea.
You didn't think about anything?
No.
Okay. Do you girls like Halloween parties and costume parties?
I had some ideas. I actually wanted to go dressed like Negan of The Walking Dead.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, he's cool.
Okay.
When I used to watch, he was my favorite character.
So Anna can be dressed up as a zombie.
Or as the Glenn.
Well, the character that
Yeah,
Luiza
that guy.
likes kill this other guy.
So this is what's gonna happen. That Halloween night. Oh, it sounds interesting. Sounds fun. Very nice. When is the party? When are we going? When is it?
Oh,
I'm gonna go dressed up
we
as a
don't know
teacher.
we don't know the day that will be, but there will be. Okay, will gonna happen.
Nice, very nice. No, it will gonna happen. No, it will happen. Or
will
it is going to happen. Or it's
It
gonna
is
happen.
going. It's
Yeah.
it is. It's
Going to happen. Or gonna happen.
okay.
Or it will happen. Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Very nice. All right. I'll let you girls go. I'll also go to the gym.
Everybody's going to work out.
Yes. Everybody wants to be in good shape.
Yes.
It's a summer project, right?
Yes.
Plans for the summer. Okay. Nice. Very nice. It was really nice talking to you girls again. And how long have we been studying English? How long have you been studying with me? No?
2 years?
2?
2 years.
3 or 2?
3.
3.
2.
I don't know. Let me check.
We started 2019.
2019 in April, 17th of April. 19, 20, 21. Yeah, like 2 years and a half.
Yeah.
Something like that. I'm horrible at math, so I don't know. Cool. Excellent. You're doing an excellent job. Keep it up. Very, very small mistakes once in a while. I probably make more mistakes than you now. And okay, I see you girls the next week.
Yes, Tuesday.
Tuesday. All right.
Tuesday.
All right, girls, have a very nice day, and I see you.
You
See you.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye. See you.